Hidden behind locked doors and glass walls lies the true heart of NASA. Not the rockets you see soaring from launch pads, but the labs where tomorrow's missions are quietly born. Since 1958, NASA's laboratories have been more than science. They've been workshops of human imagination. The computers that guided Apollo to the moon. The robotics now roaming the surface of Mars. Every breakthrough began not in space, but in a lab. Step inside, and you'll see more than test tubes and machines. These are rooms where new materials are forged to survive the vacuum of space, where engineers 3D print rocket engines, where spacesuits are tested against radiation, extreme heat, and cosmic dust. Even the tiniest treasures, moon rocks, Martian soil, fragments of asteroids, are preserved and studied, holding secrets for future generations. But the most extraordinary part of these labs isn't the technology, it's the people. Chemists, physicists, biologists, engineers, all working on a single question. How can humanity survive and thrive beyond Earth? From making oxygen on Mars to building spacecraft designed to fly for decades, their work pushes the very edge of possibility. And today, their focus is clear: the Moon and Mars. NASA's Artemis program depends on these labs, testing propulsion, habitats, and life support systems. Every experiment, every sample, every success brings us one step closer to becoming a multi-planet species. So the next time you watch a rocket lift into the sky, remember, the real magic began long before liftoff. It began quietly inside NASA's labs, where humanity's future is being built.